Stewart, Linda's photographer. Linda is feeling under the weather. I'm filling in for her today. And when I got here, I couldn't help but notice the red buds. Which of course, many love in the springtime. But I thought we're looking pretty cool right now. Now, some of you are tuning in for the weekly tour. Just moments ago, I left the front porch, which will be our focus today, and there was a visitor of the tiny furry variety. Let's see if he's still here. We gotta get kind of quiet so no one make any noises. Shh. Oh, I don't see him. Okay. Well, maybe he'll... No? Oh, I thought I saw him. Here's the front porch. It does look pretty good. So, obviously the star of the show right now, the pumpkins. Linda knows how to do pumpkins. And so do squirrels. It drives Linda crazy. And it just makes me laugh. It's like an ongoing battle between, arguably cute little creatures. Although I don't know if Linda would agree. And sweet Linda, who doesn't want to hurt anything except these squirrels. So, you may notice that only one has been eaten. And she may have talked about this a little before, but I thought it was pretty cool that the trick to stop them from eating your pumpkins, and that she has done to this one, you might even be able to see a little bit of shine on it. That is Vick's Vapor Rub. Pretty neat. Clear your nasal and keep the squirrels away. Nasal passage is probably the better way to say that. But all in all, even from the front of the house view, I'm sure you can't even tell that one's been eaten. Alright, on to the next one, guys. By the way, yeah, that's the only one over there that didn't have it on it, and they still ate it, which wasn't surprising. I wish he'd show back up. He was right over here. I think there might even be some evidence to that fact that I can show you right now. He was eating another one without mentholatum. Without Vicks, sorry. That's an old... I think that's what it is. There he was eating. There's a mosquito on my finger. The show must go on. And two, I don't know that Linda knew or what went on, but I became aware that someone dropped off some stuff over here. One thing being some sleeves for me to have on that I can wear with t-shirts to defend against the mosquitoes. And to whoever you are, I say thank you. It's really sweet to be thought of. Pretty awesome. Kind of hard to like describe because it's so generous. But thank you. I'll leave it there. And of course, there's the window box, which is also looking wonderful. Question of the day. What should I ask? Ooh. Just love that color, design, texture, all of it. So neat. I guess we can get closer, can't we? It almost looks like it's a dust on top of it. View here. Well, I'll tell you what, there's a couple pretty close-ups. Let's get them. What do you say? I think I'm being eaten. Yep. For some reason there's mosquitoes out here, more than I'd like. And I sadly forgot my sleeves. They're gonna stay in my car from now on. Didn't expect to be doing this, but happy to do so. Alright guys. Give you a shot of the yard, kind of in the broken light, but something to close on. We will be back to normal operations very soon. It's what we love doing. Appreciate all you guys, so happy Wednesday. Don't forget to find something to smile about. Say bye to the neighbors. See y'all later.